Joseph here from ACAP. Thank you very much for tuning into today's trade report. So today is just more of a neutral. We don't really have a specific preference just of yet, but there's definitely a few things to keep an eye on. A couple of conflicting things at the moment on the AUDUSD. So we all saw what happened, earlier in the week, which really derailed the Aussie. There was a real shock, which sent the US dollar flying higher. Look, at the moment, we want to just run through a few things, and we hope, if you have a difference of opinion or if you want to put something else forward, we'd love to hear your feedback on that. But so we can see at the moment this very strong support. Well, it's firm support at 67.18. It could be 15 or 20. Support's never an exact figure. I always look at it more of a band. We can see price has held that point so far this week. By zooming in, we can see this bar here was held yesterday, and today so far we are still seeing a little bit of buy strength, but there's a fair bit of indecision at this point in the day so far, and we'll need to see what happens in the business end of the day into London and New York to see which way we are going to progress. But the dollar chart itself, if you have a look at it, it's not super convincing just yet, and I think the Aussie will reflect that as well. If we had one more break lower, which goes through the support, that would definitely start to show that there is a new downside breakout and the bears are in control. We really need the US dollar to come to the party to drive that. At the moment, it looks like there's still a bit of a stalemate. I actually don't mind this level for now, and if we can continue to hold it, we can see that there is a lot of divergence on the OBV. So we can see it's not, price isn't the most pristine example of this. We don't have a lower low to be really exact, but we do have plenty of divergence on the OBV, and we have a pretty flat price band right now. But we don't have that real clear lower low, which you'd want to see below this point here. But nothing is ever exactly textbook perfect in the markets, so you just have to sort of take from it what it is. I wouldn't trade or advise trading solely from divergence. Divergence is more of something just to keep an eye on, that is maybe leading to a potential move in the market, but until there's confirmation, it's definitely not a guarantee or anything that's set in stone. So we really need to see price come in and back that up. If we had a break lower, there's going to be a different fail, and if we saw a break through that trend line, that would also probably signal that there could be a potential short move as well. But if we do see continued holds at this support and demand here, and then we can see another higher low or another push higher, I wouldn't be so quick to jump in and just say that that's going to be a definite continuation. This could be an exhaustion bar. We've seen sellers stopped at this level of support and demand, and then we see further buying. But it all comes down to really tonight, and really for the next few days, if we can see a hold of this level, a really good breakthrough this level definitely is back on for the bears. But if we do see a hold and a new rally, we could even see potential of a new push higher that we saw last week. So we have retail sales coming out tonight, which could have a direct impact on that. So that's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. That could play a part in that, especially if the retail sales figures comes out much higher than expected. That could continue to feed the inflation worries. So again, just to quickly recap, this video has gone a little bit over. I like to try and keep it a bit shorter. We want to see this area hold. If we do, we're leaning more on the support, possibly to maybe an up move. If we see a strong break lower, definitely would be looking for new short ideas going forward. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed today's update. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We wish you good trading for the rest of your Thursday, and until our next report, good trading and bye for now.